Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 7 of Project Betty Gets a Head Job. I'm going to adjust the valves, put the valve covers on, hook up the exhaust underneath there, and, just kind of finalize things so I can run it and tune it. It has a different intake and heads that flow a lot better. I'm guessing that that's going to be running lean. I'm going to put an AFR gauge on it and check it out. But first off, I'm going to pull the cap off and go around and adjust the valve lash. Okay, I got the valve covers on there. And now I'm going to crawl under and get the exhaust bolted back up. I'm also going to put an AFR gauge in there temporarily. I have a portable unit here. It's got an oxygen sensor, a gauge, and a cigarette lighter plug. So, I'm going to hook it up to the car here. And then when I start it, I can check the AFR gauge to see how the mixture is and adjust it. And then later when I do go for a ride, I can adjust the carburetor correctly. Alright, got the exhaust hooked up now. And I just went and set the timing. I can start it up here. Seems to run well. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to put away these pads, tools, and it's dark, but I'm going to go for a little stroll up and down the street, see how it runs. Okay, I'm back from the test drive. I didn't go very far. I'm going to have to do some more, tweaking on it, but it seems to run good, drives good. And with that, I'm going to say this is the end of part 7 of Project Betty Gets a Head Job. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for other videos and projects. Bye.